Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are looking through some vintage stickers. Let's start with this background piece. Okay, there's multiple ones in here. This is a big piece. Beautiful colors, so strong, so vivid. This is supposed to be a news. Very nice. Is this even a sticker? Yes, it's a sticker. It comes off. I have put a link down below, which not to this exact seller, but to some of the items I have shown in previous hauls or sticker videos, and it's a good start to find the sellers, because there are a lot of sellers who sell the same exact things, but some of them like different prices. Open the links, and if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will see more of related items. There will be stickers, washies, this and that, a lot of things. Yeah, so it's always a good head start. Those links down below. I have over 3,000 orders if you've seen my Aliexpress seller video. So unfortunately, giving you an exact link to every single item that I order is a little bit hard sometimes. So I just put those two links down below, and I think it will be a very good start. My best shopping tactic is to get lost and start opening things, and then go down on the bottom, and then I eventually just find items I was not looking for, but then I buy them anyway because they look so nice. So yeah, lots of things in here. Duplicates, which I love. Yeah, I really much prefer these, because these always have duplicates, unlike the sheets, the 6 sheets, because with the 6 sheets you just get one of each on of the stickers, and then you have to be very careful to check what you use it on. Sometimes I'm afraid that I'm gonna use it for something, and then later I have a better idea. So that's that. Alright, so these are all duplicates in my hand. Nice, so very nice. Lots of details, lots of good things going on. Kind of small, but interesting. There's a key. I think that's really cute. There's a diploma. I like it. It's not the best, but it's cheap because it's so small. So I had to switch one of the stickers I had, because I saw the mark on the back. Whenever I film something, I just make a Sharpie mark on the back. So here's another one. This is, it looks like it's like a Christmas. Ew, why is it dirty? Why is it dirty? It's a little sticky too. That's fine. I'll just trash that. So it looks like these are Christmassy, Christmas stuff. There's an angel. To be honest, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like the background of it. Okay, this one, the angel one is cute. This one's good too, but these are ugly. Sorry. Yes. So that's it. The angels are nice, but everything else is kind of like not very happy with it. I mean, it's fine. I'll use it for like some extra junk on the side. Yeah. Oh, marshmallows. I think that's it, and everything else is duplicate. Maybe this one, and then there's an ornament, and then this little image of an angel. Yeah, so this is it. You can skip buying this. It came in a package like that. It's not great. I don't like it. The angels are good, but you can get the angels in a different set. I think the images on here is just too dark. Like, this is an actual photo, not a drawing. I don't like it. Okay, the last one I have is, ooh, Coca-Cola. deco stickers. Alright, so some of them are big. This is a phone. An old phone. Lamp. Ooh, nice. It's very big size. Okay, hold on. Lots of duplicates here. Good size. Very, very good. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. I do not have this in a sticker. That's the only one. And there's a duplicate. This a 2-cent stamp. Lamp. Coca-Cola. A ticket. 10-cent ticket. Phone booth. Journal. Drinks. Radio. Very good color. A little bit dark, but it's pretty good. Pretty good for the most part. Are those earrings? I think those are earrings. I'm not really sure. There's a duplicate. We have a button. Very, very unique. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Nice. Oh, here's the bed. Here's the bed. And then we have a couple big ones. Alright. The chair. Suitcase. It's a very different era. These looks a little bit more vintage, and then we have a cassette. And then here is the last one. Movie projector. I love this. It's so big. Like, this is big. Compared to these ones, you know. Very good. Will take up a big spot in journals. So that was it for today's video for the vintage stickers. I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out those 2 links I posted in the description, and then just scroll down and you'll see more options to buy. Have a good rest of the day.